Oh, except wait a minute. I would never offer $100,000 on that property. I would, however, offer $103,579. Do you know why? Because specific numbers is a very important negotiation technique. I can't spell, just so you know. Specific numbers. Specific numbers. Yep. Never offer a nice old round, regular old number on a property. Make it something hyper specific. So I would never offer $100,000, but I would offer $103,579. Because how does that come across to you guys?
You've really done your research.
I've really done my research. I've really thought about that number, haven't I? Have I? No, I pulled it out of thin air. Or arguably, somewhere else. But yeah, that's it. It's make a number up that is hyper specific, because then it looks like it's scientifically calculated. It looks like you really crunched the numbers through a spreadsheet. It looks like you really thought about what's going on in that number. So your offer, your very next offer you make to somebody with a hyper specific number, is taken exponentially more seriously. Do you understand that? If you don't believe me, try it. Try it tomorrow. Make some calls. Try making specific offers. Watch what happens. Remember, it's your starting offer. We still don't want them saying yes right out of the bat, right out of the gate, right? But we want to, it'll become more believable. Who here is old enough to remember Ivory soap commercials? How pure was Ivory soap?
99 and 44.
Bingo. Yeah, it wasn't 99.9, wasn't 99, wasn't 100. It was 99 and 44 100ths. Was it?
No.
I don't know. Beats me. But I'll tell you, when they tell me 99 and 44 100ths, I'm thinking of a bunch of scientists standing there in lab coats with beakers and doing chemistry, figuring out the exact amount. Honestly, it was probably just the long-haired dude in the marketing department. Right? That's all it was. There wasn't anything. So because it was that specific of a number, we tend to believe it a lot more. If they said 99 or 99.5 or 100, you would believe it less. But that weird specificity goes a long way. So what are you going to do on your next offer? Be super specific. Does that cost you anything to do? No. It costs you absolutely nothing to do. So why would you do it? That's it. Right? It works. So